our buddy, not really Elon Musk. You know, I'm not a fan of a lot of things he does on X and Twitter and renaming things and all that kind of stuff. He sure does get people talking. I guess that's what you're supposed to do. So he has come out with a thing called Giga Beer, and it's to promote his Cybertruck. And he launched this when they opened their factory, a Tesla factory, either batteries or cars or Cybertrucks in Germany, in Berlin. So it was made available for purchase in Europe. You get a 3-pack of 11-ounce bottles. Yeah, $97. Now, when you look on their website, it's 2 11-ounce bottles for $150, but you get 2 beers and 2 Cybersteins. It's not cheap. Now, the ones in the U.S. are made by an outfit called Buzzrock Brewing in California. The initiative aligns with Tesla's tradition of creating one-off novelty products. It's not just Tesla, it's Elon. Elon makes those one-off things. Like he made those Boring Company flamethrowers. Boring Company is the company that digs tunnels. Remember when he dug those kids out of whatever, or he tried to? I mean, he's got his hands in a lot of stuff, but he's a merch guy. He likes the shit out of merch, so that's good. The takeaway is that you can leverage your brand's unique features or your distinctive elements. He's got the Cyber opener. It looks like the design of the truck. Oh, here's one of the Steins. That's either a Stein or a bottle. I don't know. That's got to be a Stein. Cyber beer. Oh, maybe that's the beer. I don't know. I can't tell. So it's confusing. You don't know what you're doing. So anyway, but you can leverage the design of your stuff. That truck doesn't look like a truck to me. I don't know how you're going to haul a 4x8 sheet of plywood in the back or a piece of drywall. I don't know how you're going to do it. I mean, maybe I'm just not that smart. You know, Texas public schools and all that stuff. But whatever you do, it attracts media attention. Media attention is free advertising. People talking is free advertising. The playful or unexpected offerings can add a human touch to your brand, making it more relatable. I don't think anybody's relatable to that, dude. Anybody. But people do like talking about it. Everybody has an opinion, right? That's it for that one.